I am Josh Osmond, and I am the Director of Operations at UltraSound. We moved in April. We just about doubled the warehouse size. With everything starting back up kind of all at once now, these past couple of weeks, our prep floor has been just, completely filled with equipment and shows and jobs being prepped.
Our goal is to walk into the first show like we've already done a show. We go through every piece of gear, from testing every speaker to all the wire looms to customizing all the wires to the length of the rays to front of house control, monitor control.
Well, we have to prepare and wire all the systems together, test all the racks and test all the speakers. Configure everything as best as we can so that when it rolls on to the first venue, it's gonna work, and we're sure that it's working.
Any problems we come across, obviously we fix, ahead of time, everything from the speakers themselves, even to the wheels on the carts of the speakers. We set up the entire drive system, so the connectivity from front of house or from the front of house console all the way back to the stage and out to all the speakers. We test through the entire system.
I monitor the system throughout the whole show. Yeah, and it's very easy to achieve the similar results going from different venues as well. With the Leo Lion system, ease of rigging once it's configured, and then the consistency,
In general, it's a really reliable system. You know that whatever you're going to put into that system is going to come out of it. There's not going to be any harmonic distortion, which really is, for any engineer, a pretty invaluable asset and attribute to a system.
UltraSound, we've been hand in hand with Meyer for years. It's been the developmental stages of it. We've been able to be involved in the development of the products and also, what works and doesn't work for us as a touring company. And Meyer's always been receptive to that input. And then as we go forward in time, it's just getting better and easier to deploy and faster and more efficient.
I'm excited to do this again. It's been a year, over a year and a half since the last show that we've done, so it's definitely going to be good to get back to things.
And it's great to be doing shows again. It's obviously important that we all stay safe. It's great to see, large concerts happening again and people enjoying them and having fun. An industry that is, necessary for society, so having it starting to come back to life is really promising.